Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go through the L&D Tracker, which is also known as Learning and Development Tracker. So this is something I created after really going through some simple pain point I had. So basically, it is whenever I learn or I have the habit of listening to TED Talk. So whenever I learn something new from TED Talk, I have to I have to write that down in somewhere. So that's the basic pain point I had to solve. So I built this L&D tracker where you can write things like write things down here upon a new page and start writing on the things you learn, and create a notebook where you can add link to the things you learn from. Maybe for example, um, I learned that create a new page. I learned that 100% better each day, which is something I learned from this book called Atomic Habit. Almost everybody knows that. So link that here. I already created a notebook for Atomic Habit, so just know how to write it. So add that. That's it. And then whenever you listen to or learn a new thing, then you have to add a new create new page and link to Atomic Habit, and also add a date because dating is really important. So I learned this in maybe example 16. Okay, so this is how it works. Simple as that. Two steps only. Write the things you learn, create a new page, and write the things you learn and give a title and link to the notebook where you learned from. Simple as that. Here and also here, this is a status view, about board view, where you can see like if you um, completed the atomic book, a habit book, then you just have to go to the done. Okay, that's how the such things works. And if you are the problem developing, so I'll just make that as done. So let's break back that up. Wait, okay, just this is in progress. Okay, so there's also views like recent notes where you can see the recent note you take, which is 1% better than each day. And also there is views like current reading, which is now we are reading the Atomic Habits. So and it's also in progress, that's why it's showing up here. And also there is sections like total learning areas where you can see the things you have, areas where you are learning from. A mastery, Notion creator, Notion about that, and books, Instagram, you are learning from all this. Okay, and also there's many features like when you see the navigation page section where you can capture the things you learn from in here, and then you can see all the notes, the note, and the sure. When you can see progress, where you can see the books and notebooks you taken in progress. Also there is a complete page where you can see all the completed notes, and also the complete area notebooks. And also there is a section sort of important where whenever you found a note or write down a note which is really important, you can check that as marked as important. Okay, I will show you where is that important button is. Where is, okay, here when you select this has checked as important, and it will show up here. This timeline where you can set timelines for I will show you. So this is a timeline where you can see where you started reading a certain or learning a certain course or notebook, where it started and where it ended. So from this book, Richard Buddha, we started Richard Buddha book at June 1, and it's gonna July 1, and then it's ended in July 31. Okay, now that's how the timeline works, where you can see the things you started and where it ended. Also there is resource section where you can see resources. So if you add something, create a new page and then add a attachment like a file, photo, or things you learn as screenshot, you can see in the resource section. And also there is a a notebook page where you can see all the notebook you create. And also of course the archive page where you can archive certain notes. Simply just mark as archive, and it will go it from everyone, every page except archive page. Okay, you can see that in archive section. That's how you can organize things and make this really organized, of course. Okay, that's it. This is how you can use L&D Tracker, and it is really simple, right? Okay, and you must try this, because you don't have to write in somewhere and then forget it, and then you're going through a lot of templates, or finding templates or pages to find that one word, one text you learned in somewhere. Okay, and that pain can be solved with this Notion template. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and give a comment, and see you next video with awesome workflows. Thank you.